Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've just installed Ubuntu and ran into this error when using sudo apt update, don't worry, you're not alone. Today I'll show you why this happens and how to fix it by restoring the default repository sources. This error means that your system is still trying to use the installation media, like a USB stick or ISO file, as a source for packages. This is common when Ubuntu is installed offline or from a DVD, USB. This CD-ROM source gets added to your repository list by default in those cases, but it's not needed after installation and will break sudo apt update. First, try enabling repository sources in Software Updater. After updates, try running sudo update again. If this fails, try now disabling the CD-ROM repository via terminal. Disable any line that starts with CD-ROM : in your sources .list file, which effectively disables it. Try running the update command again. If it fails again, it means you have no default repositories installed. You have to install them. To add the repos, just run this command, which I have already run, then try updating. The system will update as you can see. If you're on a different version, replace Noble with your Ubuntu codename. If this helped you fix your apt update issues, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more Linux tips. See you in the next video.